Hi students, today we have to see the assignment related with the view, index and sequences. Actually view is a virtual table based on result set of an SQL statement. It contains rows and columns. Okay, just like a real table. Second, about index. Index is used to retrieve data from the database more quickly. Okay, the users cannot see the indexes. They are just used to speed up searches and queries. And third one is sequence. Sequence is nothing but auto increment in MySQL. It can be used to generate a unique identity for new rows. Okay. Now we have to see the auto increment first. Sequencing is nothing but auto increment in MySQL. So for that purpose, I will create one table having name student. Create table student. I have to provide the column names, ID, data type is integer, common name, data type I will provide the varchar, this variable character, and after that I will provide column name city, same data type varchar for city also. Size I will provide 10. The table is created. Now for table there are two properties. First is data of the table and second is structure of the table. If you want to see the data, select star from student you can use. Okay, means select statement. Now I don't have inserted any data, so it is showing like that empty set. To see the structure I will use the command describe, DESC, student. So this is the structure of the table. Field type null, means can we put that value as a null or not. Key, if you provided the primary key, super key, subset of the key, then it will reflected over here. And auto increment also visible in the extra part. So this is the structure of the table. So I will insert data into table, insert into student, values directly I will insert. First is 1 as ID, second Raj, Pune is the city. So for string I will provide 4, otherwise it will give error. Okay, so data is inserted. To see the data, select statement, select star from student. So this is the data you can see inside the table. Okay, so auto increment I will provide now. For that purpose I will use alter command, alter table student, modify ID in primary key. Before auto increment I have to provide the primary key. Okay, so primary key is provided. How to see the key is provided or not, as we have discussed in describe command, DESC student. You can see here in key part primary key is assigned to the ID field. Okay, now what auto increment, alter table, table name, modify ID. Instead of primary key I just put auto underscore increment. Okay, auto increment also successfully performed over here. Now I have to see that extra feature I have provided by using DESC command. So this is the extra column we can see in that auto increment is visible. Okay, so what is the purpose of auto increment or sequence? While inserting the data into the table, now onwards it will automatically retrieve the ID field with sequence. Okay, insert into student. Now I will just put name comma city because ID is auto incremented, so no need to provide the ID again and again while inserting the data. Amar, the second name I have provided. The location is Katraj or city name is Katraj, I have provided over here. Okay, second name also automatically inserted. This auto incrementation is there. For ID field, again I will provide third name I have given Sonam. Location is Pimpri. Again Amol and city. Okay, so to see the data, select star from student command. So ID field is automatically retrieved by the table while insertion. Okay, now we have to see the view. View is the temporary table, we can say. So for creating the view, I will use the create view command. Create view, I have to provide the name of the view. I have given the name view1 as select statement we have to use while creating the view. Create view, name of the view view1 as select name from table name student. View is created, means what? Only name part, name column from the student stored in the view view1. So select star from name of the view view1. So to see the content in view, we have to use the command select star from name of the view view1. So you can see here, this is the temporary contents which are the copied into view1 from the table student. So this is the view. Again we can provide the condition while creating the view, like you can see here, create view view1 as select star from student where city is equal to Pune. Okay, create view view1 as select star from student where city is equal to Pune. The view1 is already exists, so I will change the name of the view. View2 I will take here. Okay, so view is created, and how to see that view? Select star from view name to view2. Okay, so only one record given by the select statement, as we have mentioned in the condition while creation of the view, city is equal to Pune. So this is the use of view. So next part we have to see is indexing. So for creating the index, I will use the command create index. I will mention unique index over here. create unique index name I will provide stud underscore index. Okay, create unique index, the name of the index stud index I have given over here. On table name is the student. Okay, and I have to provide the column name, to which I have to provide the index ID I have given over here. So this is the index. Query is okay. Now how to see the index which we provided to the table? Show index from student. So you can see here the key name. After primary there is stud underscore index. This is the index you can see here. Okay, so for dropping the index, which command you can use? Drop index name stud underscore index on table name is student. Okay, now again you can see show index command. Okay, the stud underscore index is successfully dropped. Okay, thank you very much.